Well, I'm driving down Gandy Boulevard coming back from St. Pete Beach, and then I see this on the side and I'm like, no way, dude. He was trying to launch his jet ski out here, front wheel drive, stuck it, and then I guess somebody else tried to pull it and damaged, I don't know what they hooked to, but they like ripped out the radiator hose, and then the tow truck pulled up and then he got stuck. So I was gonna get it out, but I can't tow it home, so might as well just let the tow truck do it. But we'll see how this goes. Well, the tow truck just showed up, but I kid you not, I think the tow truck might have just got stuck. I'm gonna go back over here and watch this. This might turn into be something pretty entertaining. Let's see. I think he might be stuck, boys. You know what? He's got his wheels turned all the way though. Okay, well, guess we're gonna dig it out. What? Turn this way. Hard.
Fast, only for the left.
This way.
Oh, okay. Give me
You got. It's gonna be hard. Go. Harder.
No, tienes que hacerlo más.
Tienes que darle más,
Arráncalo. Se le fue por vestido.
Keep going. All right, hang tight. Ugh.
Do you need help?
I need the wheel turned just a little more. It's hard.
Yeah, the problem is you don't have
It won't run.
water in the
Yeah.
trailer.
Y si le trata de girar, girando para adelante y doblando.
Hold on, actually, let me dig out a little bit, and then we'll try.
Un momento.
Okay. Try turn. Keep going.
Dale, aguanta, dale.
More.
Un poquito más.
Okay.
Ya, está bien ahí.
Okay.
I'm
gonna grab the winch.
Thank you.
All right, neutral.
Ya, justo se parte.
Okay. Just only a little bit. Hold on. Okay, watch out. Back. All right, hit brake.
One more time.
The bumper.
Yeah, it's fine. Straight. Got it.
Okay. Brake. So now I'll turn around. I'll pull it up here.
Yeah, yeah. Mira se falta para agarrarlo. Yo, eso se acabó. Acabó. Aguanta.
Can you turn that way? Can you turn wheel this way? Thanks, dude. Thanks, man.
Thank you for using it.
Yeah, no problem, man.
For life.
Oh, God.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.
For life.
Hold on. I gotta get a tool. Can you get it? Let's see, good. There you go. Yeah, see, that's all what we do. We make all of this stuff. Amazon.
The color gray.
Yeah. Dude, we might get another one. This guy is in there, son. It took him like 10 minutes to back down that ramp. It's all chewed up. But yeah, he's in there a little bit, and that ramp is, dude, look at it. It's like tore up. But I just went and grabbed their jet ski and brought it back up. Dude, save these people's ass for sure. Well, I kid you not, then I freaking jump started his van, dude. Luckily I got my jump pack. Well, I guess he had it running and he said it died out again. So let's go jump it one more time. His alternator's going out, it wasn't staying running. All right, get her in neutral. Go ahead and give it a little gas. Shoot, it is hot out here, but yeah, that's wild. It ended up, man, his car kept dying. It's got to be the alternator. It's just not keeping the battery charged, and then it starts to sputter when it's running out. So definitely an alternator. But what a detour. It was not even supposed to happen. God put me here today to help all these people. It's the only thing I could think of. But we're gonna get back home now. I'm hot, I'm burnt. I've already been out fishing all freaking day. And then this was probably a 2-hour ordeal. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. And we give away a power box once a month. The winner from last month, from July, is you. Congrats, dude. Shoot me an email to claim your prize. And if you guys want any rhino gear, go to rhinousainc.com. Get you some tow straps, shackles, winch lines, all that good stuff. And if you want some stickers, help support my page, go shop4x4rescue.com. I'll see you guys next time.